Reports coming indicate that members of parliament-elect currently undergoing orientation at the National Leadership Institute, Kyankwanzi, have received copies of the cooperation agreement between the National Resistance Movement, that's NRM, and the Democratic Party, that's DP, signaling the growing significance of the political pact in shaping Uganda's governance landscape. According to an internal report from the ongoing training, the DP President General, Norbert, is expected to deliver a detailed presentation on the cooperation agreement. His address will reportedly outline the origins, objectives, and implications of the deal, which has continued to generate debate within political and public circles since its signing. The presentation is also expected to go beyond the agreement itself, touching on broader national issues, governance priorities, and the role of multi-party collaboration in advancing stability and development. Observers say this session could provide MPs-elect, many of whom are entering parliament for the first time, with a clearer understanding of the political dynamics underpinning cooperation between traditionally rival parties. Notably, the session will take place in the presence of President Yoweri Museveni, who is also the chairperson national of the NRM. His attendance underscores the importance attached to the agreement by the ruling establishment and highlights the strategic role Kyankwanzi trainings play in the aligning political messaging and policy direction among leaders. The NRM-DP Cooperation Agreement, first unveiled as a framework for political collaboration, has been interpreted by supporters as a pragmatic step toward inclusive governance. However, critics have questioned its long-term impact on opposition independence and democratic competition. As the Kyankwanzi training continues, attention is increasingly turning to how MPs-elect will interpret and implement the principles outlined in the agreement once they assume office. The anticipated presentation by Mao is therefore expected to be a pivotal moment, potentially shaping perspectives and influencing legislative conduct in the next phase of Uganda's political cycle. Let me know in the comment section if it will also influence the speakership race.